11. Muthamil elections are going on. Now we have a candidate with us. Hi, can you introduce yourself?
I am Prathyush of grade 11. I am standing in the prestigious post of school head boy.
What is your manifesto?
There are many manifesto. I will say some few points about it. Me and my team will always check our cleanliness of campus, and I will arrange a health leader in each and every class. And first of all, I will motivate all students to join extracurricular activities.
If you are a people leader, what kind of help you expect from the students?
I expect students to keep our campus clean and follow our campus rules.
What is your symbol and why you choose that symbol?
As my motto is to bring more extracurricular activities, I have choose skateboard symbol and I love skateboard.
Has ever a friend motivate you?
Yes, my friends and teachers have motivated me to stand in election. With their support, I am standing here.
Thank you. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you. I am Prathyush of grade 11, standing in the post of school head boy. As my symbol is skateboard, so don't forget to vote it. Thank you.